So I've just received my FREEBUDS. These are a promotion where I've got a free pair with my P20 Pro. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video. Straight away, I like the way it's one of these magnetised flappy boxes. Just flip it open and the buds are inside. There's a little security label here, so we'll just undo that. Filming this video on my P20 Pro as well, so if you're interested in the quality of that videos from that phone. So a little flap, so that pops open like that. Cat's having a look. There's the AirPods. I'll just take one out. So the base looks like it's where the you can charge it from. This is the left ear pod. There isn't really any buttons or anything on it. This is the right one. So there's those two. And I like the design of this box, like all the little hidden compartments. So in here, I think you've probably got a charging cable. Just gonna pause. So yeah, in this little box was another set of different shaped replacement ear rubber parts, and also there's a charging cable which slots into the back of the charging unit. It's a cool little charging unit. So I guess the AirPods it's got the corresponding. There's a nice sort of magnetised feel to when you pop them in. They sort of snap in. Lid closes, quite neat and tidy. Pops open. Nice little, you could put that in your pocket and it's quite nice and tidy. So there's the AirPods. The charger. What else comes in the box? There's also the instruction manual and how to use it. Instruction manual and warranty. Not sure how long the warranty is. I'll have to read through that. So I guess you've got a year or so warranty in case there's any problems with the AirPods. But yeah, overall, quite impressed. Nice tidy box. Everything goes back nicely. And these are good, so I'll try these out later. But nice and tidy, no wires, and it's useful to have another charging cable, same cable that the phone can be charged with. So that's handy to have. And I think this little charging pod, once you charge this up, and then this will get a couple of charges. You can charge the pods a few times once this is charged up. So yeah, pretty cool. Not bad for a free gift. Came with my phone, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, so these are the earbuds in my ears. Don't look too bad. So yeah, they fit nice, sound good. Just listened to a few songs. The Eminem diss track, which is popular at the moment, his reply to MGK. yeah, so happy with these. Pretty good. Sound good. Easy to pair up. Just open the lid on the box, press the little button on the front, and then turn on your Bluetooth settings on your phone, and it'll pair up to them. Took about 5 seconds. And yeah, so pretty good. Happy with these. And don't know if you get them straight.